Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create multiple viewports at different scales on one sheet using the easy method. This is a great way to set up several view boxes on your paper page layout session so you can show different zoom sizes side by side. Step 1. Open your paper sheet layout view. The first step is to move away from your main endless drawing canvas and click onto the white paper setup page where you arrange your final layout for printing. Move your mouse pointer down to the very bottom left edge of your screen workspace. Find the tab that says Layout 1 or Layout 2 and click on it once. Watch your monitor background turn into a bright white rectangle that represents your physical piece of printing paper. Because you cannot build custom viewing windows while you are working in the main model space, you have to be on the paper sheet setup so you can tell the program where to position the separate frames. Without this step, you will just be zooming your main drawing board in and out. Step 2. Create your first window frame box. Next, you need to use a basic layout command to draw your very first window frame on the left side of your paper page layout. Move your pointer down to your bottom typing box, type the letters MVY on your keyboard, press the Enter key, click once near the top left corner of your white paper, drag your mouse down, and click a second time to drop a box. Watch your monitor view appear a rectangular frame, instantly showing your entire background drawing inside its borders. Because this command acts like a magical cutter that slices a window straight through the white paper so you can see your drawing canvas behind it. Drawing this box gives you your first independent viewing zone. It ensures you have a dedicated frame ready to take its own unique size setting. Step 3. Create your second window box for close-ups. Now you need to repeat the window command to draw a second, separate box right next to your first box to hold your zoomed-in detail view. Type the letters MVY into your bottom bar one more time, hit your Enter key, click once near the top right corner of your paper layout, drag your mouse across, and click to drop the second box. Look at your screen layout to verify that you now have two separate box frames sitting side by side on the same sheet of paper. Because each window box acts as a completely separate camera. By creating two distinct boxes, you tell the system engine that you want to control two different views of the same drawing simultaneously. It is the key step to getting the right output because it sets up the workspace structure for two totally different size rules on one piece of paper. Then you can double-click inside each box to choose different scale numbers from the bottom menu. And that's it. To create multiple viewports at different scales on one sheet, you must first click on your Layout tab at the bottom to open your paper view. Then you use the MVY command to draw your first window frame on the left side of your screen canvas rows. Next, you run the MVY tool again to draw a second box right next to it for your close-up view. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.